Welcome to PIERRE Academy. In this video, we'll be introducing the PIERRE E27 Smart Bulb. Let's see how it works. First, we screw the bulb into a standard E27 socket to provide it with power. Once securely placed, we turn on the power. Now we use the controller display to start searching for new devices. From the main menu, we go to Settings, select Add Wave I/O, and then tap Find Devices. To activate pairing mode on the smart bulb, we need to toggle the power switch 7 times in quick succession, on, off, until 7 toggles are completed. Right after that, the bulb lights up brightly, signaling that it has entered pairing mode, and the system successfully discovers it. We select the found device, and unless we want to rename it, we leave the default name as is. Then, we tap Save and Continue, followed by Finish. The bulb now appears in the app under the name RGBCW LED Bulb, and it's ready for control. From here, we can easily turn the bulb on or off with a single tap. By pressing and holding the icon, the intensity slider appears, allowing us to dim or brighten the light to our preference. Swiping right brings us to the Color tab, where we can set the bulb to any shade from the RGB spectrum. You can select colors manually or use the Presets tab for predefined lighting modes. Another swipe to the right takes us to the White tab, where we can control the color temperature, ranging from cool white all the way to warm yellow tones. And that's it! Your PIERRE E27 Smart Bulb is now fully set up and ready to use. Thanks for watching this PIERRE Academy tutorial.